Hello all, in this video tutorial we will be showcasing the different courses of our team. So our category is going to be MOBE, that is Moodle for beginners, and then we have two courses under that. One is the Mobico, that is Moodle for beginners for cloud, and over here Mobity, that is Moodle for beginners for teachers. So we have all worked together. So this is our category MOBE, and we have two courses. Course one is Mobico and the other one is Mobite. So Moodle for beginners for Collid it is, not cloud, sorry. So we prepare participants of Collid, Erasmus in a project to implement Moodle cloud platform. Our colleague, our friend Anna, she is into a project with Collid, and it is all her idea to get into this sort of an activity to prepare the Moodle cloud for all who are participating there. So this is the first course that we are looking at, that is prepared mainly by Anna and Louisa, and maybe Poonam has contributed something. I have not contributed to this course. So this course is about Mobico, and it is a 10 days of the Mobico development. So these are the different features we are supposed to express in our video tutorial now. So the name of the course, the summary, logo, video introducing the course on summary page, overview, facilitators, their short bios. So facilitators, all facilitators have not put in the details. In the first case, Anna has put it. In the second one, Poonam has put her details. And we have at least 5 topic sections. We have added resources and activities and a video to introduce each section. And we also have batches for each section, a certificate. And for the enrollments, we have a guest, a manager, and also other methods, one manage and other method of enrollment. So we've enrolled facilitators as the manager of the course. And over here, we have used the manual method and also the self-enrollment afterwards. So let us see them one by one. So this is about the initial meetings which we had or a collaboration together as to decide the different courses, etc. And this is our team. Anna, Veena, Louisa, Poonam, etc. So we were putting in all our details over here and trying to first formulate what we should be working upon, how many courses we should be having, and then it was decided that we can have 2 courses, that is the Mobico and the Mobite. But it took us quite some while to decide that, and we had this sessions, the interactions more on the Google Docs. So this was the first one, Mobico. And over here, these are the 5 sections, 4 sections she has this thing and the certificate of completion. And then we had the introduction, summary, the Zoom meeting that we had, then the announcements, then also the overview. And also we have over here the different sections, day 1, day 2, day 3, introducing the different topics along with the certificate, along with the video first, and then the activities and resources put in over here with the certificate of completion designed by Anna, by Louisa, and some other activities are seen over here as the batch status, the 4-5 batches put up over here, and the certificate, as I told you, to prepared by Louisa. Then these are adding the roles of the senior tester, then what is happening and how to go about for self-enrollments for Erasmus. And this is our logo for the category. Now the Mobite is where I actually worked upon along with my colleagues, Anna, my friends Anna, Poonam, Louisa. So this courses will be presenting the main features that can be used by a teacher when preparing a course. So as a teacher, beginner teacher, to get into Moodle, what are the requirements sort of will be done over here. So this is about the overview, where we have the announcements over here, and also the brief about what we are supposed to be doing in this course. And then the first day it was the managing a Moodle site, which is what I worked upon. And over here there's an introduction over here. We also have some a video. With the video we have the overview of the enrollments in the book resource, which was a very nice suggestion by Anna. Otherwise it was all seen as text in this page over here, and this is the enrollment discussion forum, where the activity is to embed one link on the forum about the different ways of enrollment. So there's a resource given over here. Looking at the resource or looking at more resources on their own, the students can embed a link to show and facilitate how enrollments can take place. So this is my page or my section. And then this was about creating a Moodle course, where Anna also contributed to show us different the site administration features for courses as the manager, and the backup listing restore, how to backup and all that. So Anna, Poonam, Louisa, they have all been working on different types of things, contributing wherever they can to put in whatever is possible so that the course is completed And this one over here is the page, a section which Poonam managed. So she has put in quite a few videos over here to know how to get about managing a course. Then we have the grading, evaluating the student grading, that was done by Louisa. So she's put in a video over here and an activity, and then the certificate of completion. So finishing all the activities, getting 4 batches entitles you to get an achievement badge, and after that you can get your the final certificate. So that was a good proposal by Louisa, and that's how we worked upon. So these are the people we enrolled over here, and we also started with the self-enrollment, the Mobitech as a code. So next is to manage the batches. We had 5 batches, 4 for the activities over there of the course, and the 5th one, after you get the 4th batch, then you are entitled to get the 5th batch. So this was the way we had the batches. So the batch of so this was the certificate presented to Louisa on her getting into the activity of certificate preparation, and this is all that we have to showcase for our courses in the category of movie. Thank you all for your patient watching.